remember when I ate shit and split this pit bike in 2 pieces? Yeah, me too.
Today we're going to be making the 2-piece into a 1-piece. But in order to do that, we need a welder that has a little bit more juices. So we need to go to Robbie's house to get more juices.
Before I bisected this pit bike with my nether region, it was a couple things. It was fast. It was really squishy. And most of all, it wasn't straight. So actually this was kind of a blessing in disguise.
Because it has holes, so you must be able to like...
Who broke that?
Don't know. Oh. Probably the same person that broke your mom.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
How's their door handle doing?
How's your door handle doing?
It's not because it's a 18-year-old truck.
Yeet!
Still doing everything one arm too. My arm shouldn't be hurt because I'm just here for the brains and the beauty. Where'd the gas cap go?
We gotta go pick it up.
Where is it?
It's where I crashed. Fortunately, I'm here for the muscles. So.
Oh!
Ah! That's really hard to lift on that. Yeah, I'm missing a finger. Ah!
Show them how the muffler works.
It's doing really good. Yeah. That wasn't because I crashed, actually. That was another one of Mason's welds. Let's go. What are you doing, Lewis? Where is it? Dude! No way! It's still here. Yes! Yeah! It's still in the ditch!
Bad ass.
Yes!
This is like $5 worth of aluminum.
It was also leaking some oil. Yeah.
I see that. I feel that. I feel like I just touched one of them condoms, you know. I haven't used one in a while, but I feel like I touched one.
Look at 0 penetration.
0 penetration. Like, I couldn't even tell where you guys welded it.
It was eyed up once and it worked great, obviously.
It worked until it didn't work.
Perfect.
Boy, might need some new handlebars, but the frame is good.
The bars are perfect.
We just bend the other one like this one, and we just.
They're in there anyway. I don't know if you'll be able to really like. I mean, yeah. Okay. These things are so flexible. Like, you shouldn't have bars that flex
That's
around.
gotta come up then, right?
They look like a Schwinn Stingray handlebar set. I think we should get some new ones.
Good idea. I mean, they're straighter.
Hey, your bike is now 1 again.
Is this thing in gear, or how's this work?
Should just roll.
Oh, my ground wire.
Your ground set up there.
That might prevent it.
Hey, thanks for doing the majority of the
You won't be.
heavy duty weld.
I mean, it's not gonna break this time.
No, I don't think so.
We're gonna put some.
And if it
supporting-
does, we're coming immediately to you.
Yeah, you can call me. I would probably won't answer, but
then
you
we
can
can
call
have
me.
somebody else to blame other than myself.
He almost killed Germ. Imagine if Germ would have took that up his sphincter. It'd have been like an
I
everyday
did.
normal thing.
I
for
did
him.
do that. That's
Oh,
what
yeah.
happened. Yeah, I mean, that's what kind of broke it, I think.
Whatever I have going on in my shoulder, he has going on in his gooch.
I had gloves on. It makes you stronger. Probably easier to load when it's in 2, right?
Yeah, a little bit. We're back at the shop. It's a couple days later. We've got it back, and we haven't really worked on it over the weekend. We haven't really had a chance. We've been pretty busy doing other things. However, this thing is going to take a little bit more work than just welding it back together. So we did get the top welded. It's pretty dang sturdy. It ain't coming apart now. Up there, anyway. Down here, we still have to push up on the engine, and it should tuck up into place, and we can weld this bar back to this plate, which is what we had before. We're gonna need handlebars for sure. These ones are cooked. No way they're gonna work. We're not gonna be able to bend them back. We tried. It's just not safe. So kill switch ripped out. Luckily we got a new kill switch. Exhaust needs to be fixed. It actually came unwelded there. This plate needs to be hammered back down. What we're gonna end up doing in the meantime, figuring out how to bypass the low oil shutoff thingy on these engines. So we were riding around the drift track the other day, and this thing is super fun except for the part where when you try to drift this thing, all the oil gets slung to the back of the engine and it thinks there's no oil in it, so it shuts off while you're riding it. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the day. Trying to learn how to do that and riding this thing around and getting it to actually work properly. So disconnecting the low oil switch is super simple. You're just gonna have this plastic clip here, this black plastic clip holding all the wires together. And all you're gonna end up doing is just disconnecting the wires. It takes zero effort other than pulling them out apart, and then it works without shutting the engine off when you go around the corner. So you can just take off this little box here. Yeah. Cool. Boom. You're good to go. It'll run around a corner without shutting off.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. It's impressive.
That's crazy. All this time and it was that simple?
Yeah, I guess. So now let's give it a shot and see if it actually shuts off.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go rip it around the yard, I guess. Oh, you just mowed, right? Yep. Cool. I'm going to put some new lines because you suck. What do you think of your dad's mowing job, Miles?
It's garbage. You better go with the lines. Or you're going to cross the line, and then I'm going to have to...
What are you going to do?
Ow.
Does it hurt?
No. Not like that. It only hurts in one spot. Take it very good. It's just when you press in like one spot up here, it just crumples me.
Good thing you let me know that specific bit of information. Think you can weasel your way out of there? Yeah, probably. Let's see if it starts without the choke. That's so much better. Wow.
You couldn't do one turn before without it going...
This thing is still scary.
How many G's were you pulling?
I don't know, all of them. Look at how green the wheels are. Oh, they're nice and smooth.
Ooh, yeah.
They're smoother than mud. Dude, this thing is so freaking fun.
Oh, cool. That thing works awesome. Huh? Clutch is good now?
It seems okay.
We had the original one out. We just switched it out for the one that was on the skank.
Works better.
This one's got probably hotter than the other one ever got, but this one only got hot one time.
We need to tension this if we can. I don't know.
Look at Mr. Button Presser over here.
He's just pressing buttons on the camera.
Yeah, he's just trying to press all the buttons.
Miles, you should ride this thing.
Say, my mom can't even drive it without hitting the house or a mailbox.
We're gonna watch Dad ride this thing? Let's see your dad hurt himself? Big smiles.
Maybe I
His shoulder hurts so bad. I'm gonna put his rock back. Sorry, Rock. I didn't mean to disturb your resting peace. My bad.
I definitely can't.
No? Too painful? Yeah. It is, this...
That is a
It's
a rough
workout.
ride going 30 in the grass. Oh, you really got to hang on.
We rode for so long, just like letting it die, trying to think. Like for a while, we thought starving itself. Like when we would go around a corner, like the fuel for some reason would not work in the carburetor correctly. Not the case. Just the stupid low oil sensor. So now the pit bike will work better too, because when we take out the low oil sensor on that, we'll actually be able to do like wheelies potentially without it shutting off.
Yeah, watch it as low oil.
Just blow all our engines out now because we don't have any oil in them.
We just did an oil change, so.
Yeah, on both of these. They should be good for, I don't know, a while at least. We don't really have a lot to do at the moment, but we do at the same time. There's a lot to happen, but it's not the time for it to happen.
And I'm kind of broken, so.
Yeah, he's
That's
broken.
perfect.
He's broken and busy, so he's trying to sell a camper. He better sell this camper, so it's out of the way for all the cool stuff that we want to
Yeah,
do.
we're gonna have more room for toys after this for sure. Finish projects in the next couple videos, and we're gonna have plenty more content, plenty more scooter content too to come. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.